Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to convert an Excel data capture sheet to a native iOS app leveraging the Jigx platform. It's fast, it's easy, it's awesome, so let's get to it. Okay, let's start with the Excel spreadsheet that we'll be importing. So here we go right here. It's employee information, just some sample data. And ultimately what we want to do is convert this to an iOS app using Jigx so that users can easily enter new data fields and new employees using their mobile phone. So you can see right here, I have, this is my phone running. I check here, you can see that we don't have this employee data samples app deployed yet. So let's jump over to Jigx and get that thing in here. So let's go to new form wizard. We're going to choose our category. We'll put this in an Excel conversions category. Choose the Excel reader, choose our file, and let's go ahead and read that into the system. So there we go. There's all of our columns that are in our Excel document, and we have a preview of what that form will look like over here on the right. So I'm going to choose Jigx. We're going to make this a 2-column layout for the phone. And you'll notice here what we do when we read this is if we determine that there are 20 or less, and that number is configurable, and you don't have to do this, but the default setting is if it finds a unique list of values that are under 20 by default, we'll convert that automatically to a drop-down list or a choice field. In our case, the city field, we don't want that to be a drop-down list. We prefer that to be data entry from the user. So let's go ahead and convert that back to free-form text. And then what we'd also like to do is add a repeating section for the employee skills, because everybody has more than one skill. So let's go ahead and add that right here. It's going to be a repeating section, and we'll give this a skill name and a skill level. We want that to be a choice field. So the user selects what skill level for that particular skill. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, and level 4. Okay, so there's our form. Let's go ahead and write that out to Jigx. We'll choose Jigx as our target platform. I already have my environment wired up. And we'll just go ahead. We can also download this as a Visual Studio Code solution so that we can make any changes or any edits or additions before we actually publish it up to Jigx. But in this case, we just want to publish the form directly. So we'll click on Next. It's writing the solution, and it published it out in a little over a second to Jigx. So now if I flip over here to my mobile phone, there you can see employee data samples has appeared. So let's go ahead and go into that. I haven't entered any data because this is a new form. Click on new employee data, and there we go. So let me just put in some information in here. Maybe John Doe. Maybe they live in the United States. And we can also add those skills that we added. So we'll say some skill, and they are a level 4, they're a master. Save that skill, go back, on form, and there we go. As simple as that, as quickly as that, we converted an Excel document to a Jigx app on iOS. For more information, visit www.kudzusoftware.com.